Hello, semester 6 botany honors students. Here I am Dr. A.S. खालको. अभी मैं आप लोगों के पास रेस्पिरेशन का पार्ट लेके आई हूँ, जो कि आधा मैंने पढ़ाया था पहले. ग्लाइकोलिसिस. ग्लाइकोलिसिस एक एंजाइमेटिक रिएक्शन था. इसमें बायोप्रोडक्ट सबसे लास्ट में आया पायरुवेट. इसी से फिर नया स्टार्ट होता है साइकिल. वो आज मैं पढ़ाने वाली हूँ. And that is the aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration, इसके पहले मैंने उस दिन बताया था. Aerobic respiration means in presence of oxygen. If respiration takes place, that is known as aerobic respiration. It is known as Krebs cycle or TCA cycle. हम बोलेंगे इधर से ही. Now, if the molecular oxygen is available, aerobic respiration takes place, and the pyruvate produced in glycolysis in cystoles enters into mitochondria for further oxidation through Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle is so named after its discovery. A German-born British biochemist Hans A. Krebs, who in 1937 discovered this cycle and was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1953 for this discovery in physiology or medicine category. Krebs cycle is also known as citric acid cycle (CA cycle) or tricarboxylic acid cycle, that is T-carboxylic acid cycle (TCA cycle), because citric acid is an early intermediate of this cycle, which contains 3 carboxylic groups. All enzymes necessary for TCA cycle are found in matrix. However, the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase is localized on the inner mitochondrial membrane. So let us start the tricycle acetic cycle. First of all, this is the end product of the glycolysis. अभी हमको मैं दिखाएगा ना. End product of the glycolysis, that is pyruvate. It converted into acetyl coenzymes. In presence of enzymes pyruvate dehydrogenase, and at the same time NAD oxidized into NADH plus hydrogen ion, and coenzyme A converted into carbon dioxide. Then acetyl coenzyme combined with oxaloacetate, this is the 4 carbon atom, and form citrate in presence of enzyme citrate synthetase. Then citrate is converted into cis-aconitate in presence of enzyme aconitase, and here 1 molecule of water comes out, and then cis-aconitate combined with hydrogen combined with water and form the isocitrate, here in presence of enzymes aconitase, and then isocitrate, it is oxidatively decarboxylated in presence of enzymes isocitrate dehydrogenase and form alpha ketoglutarate, and here one molecules here 1 molecules of carbon dioxide and NAD. It is also oxidized into NADH plus hydrogen ion, and then alpha ketoglutarate converted into succinyl coenzymes in presence of enzymes alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, and at the same time NAD oxidatively decarboxylated and form NADH plus hydrogen ion, and here 1 molecules of carbon dioxide also formed. Then succinyl coenzyme hydrolyze and it formed succinate and it forms the succinate. And here 1 molecule of ATP is formed, at the same time in presence of enzyme succinine coenzyme. Here ATP or GTP formed with the combination of ADP plus inorganic phosphate. GTP means guaninose triphosphate, and this is the guanine diphosphate. This reaction is known as substrate level phosphorylation, and succinate is converted into fumarate, oxidized into fumarate in presence of enzyme succinate dehydrogenase, and the same time FAD converted into FADH2, and then fumarate is hydrolyzed because here 1 molecules of water added, and fumarate converted into malatate in presence of enzyme fumarase, and then malatate is oxidized into oxaloacetic acid in presence of enzyme malatate dehydrogenase, and the same time NAD reduce NADH plus hydrogen ion. Then oxaloacetic acetate combined with acetyl coenzymes and 1 molecules of hydrogen ion, and it again start the citric acid reaction, Krebs cycle reaction, and it form citrate. So it is completed the aerobic respiration and Krebs cycle. So in this cycle carbon dioxide and water comes out and whole reaction will be completed. Thank you. कितना मिनट हुआ?